What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Good View Woodworks channel. My name is Nathan, and today I'm going to give you an update on the coffee table for my father-in-law's coffee shop. So it's actually at his house in Detroit. I'm in Virginia right now, and he has been sending me some short clips to keep you guys updated. So for this first clip here that I'm going to show you, he's going to be sanding down the top of his table, and he found a really useful tool which I will link down in the description, but he's going to be using an angle grinder with a metal flat disc to sand it down really quickly. So if you guys don't have a planer that's that big, you can use this instead. Check it out. One thing to keep in mind when you're using the angle grinder with a metal sanding disc is that it makes a lot of dust. So remember to use your dust mask and also wear some eye protection so that you don't damage your lungs or your eyes. In this next clip, what he's going to do is he's going to prep the slab for seal coats and a flood coat. And what he's going to do is he's going to use his trim router, and he's going to do a round over around the whole table so that when he pours his flood coat, the epoxy will flow over the corner and create a really nice epoxy finish.
Helps if I plug it in.
So here in this shot, all he did was wipe it down with some water to kind of raise the grain and also to see what it would look like with a little bit of finish on it. I would suggest using isopropyl alcohol to wipe down the top because it evaporates really quickly, but it also cleans the surface in prep.
Looking good. Hey, good viewers. This is Bill from the Pine Knot Shop. Just giving you a little update. I decided to take a lot more of this spillover resin off because I really wanted a defined look between the cherry and the resin. So I had to think quite a bit. I used my hand planer, which is a lot of work. You can see some of the grooves that it caused, but that's okay. I had to take off quite a bit because I wanted this little island, this knot, to stand out well. And if I did a little bit of testing, I put resin on top of these areas that had spillover. The areas that had spillover, like along here, it made it a little darker, and I wanted all the cherry to show up. I wanted all these the way this wood grain is, I really wanted to show up well. it was being hidden by the resin. So I took the hand planer down to the whole board. I'll probably end up taking about 1/8 of an inch off total, but I think in the end it's going to be worth it. I don't have a planer big enough to put this guy through, so this is going to look pretty decent. I like the way this is turning out so far. I'll let you know when I've got this sanded and ready to put the sealer on. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. And that's just water. It'll look even better when the resin's on. Stay tuned.
The next step in this process would be to add your seal coats and then add your flood coat. But we'll be getting to that in a little while, as soon as my father-in-law finishes this table. If you would like to see how seal coats work and the flood coat works, do me a favor, click this link right here. But guys, this was just a short video to give you guys an update on the coffee table for the coffee shop. So do me a big favor, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and also share this video with a friend. Guys, thank you for watching, and as always, thanks for hanging out with us.